What's up YouTube, it is your boy Darriusofficiall and I am back with another video. So as you guys can see from the title below, this video is kind of not what you probably want it to be. So this is my last monkey video. Y'all, I'm sad, but not really sad because like I got some excellent news for y'all, but I'm not telling y'all right now. Y'all gonna find out pretty freaking soon. But as far as this being my last video, I'm so sorry. But what I decided to do is well, as you guys all know, or for some people who don't know, so the Monkey app is being discontinued and you know we will no longer be able to be on Monkey. But I can't tell y'all, not right now, I can't tell y'all right now, but just know, I can't tell y'all, just know it's some big things coming. Like this sadness that we all are sharing is soon going to be overpowered by like happiness. Y'all gonna be like, dang, wait a minute, oh, calm down. Basically this video is just going to be me getting on Monkey one last time, and in honor of just how much we did on the Monkey app together, y'all, I'm also going to throw a little collage together of like all our old times on Monkey, you know, and I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. So dude, I'm gonna miss this app so much. I just want y'all to enjoy this montage. Is that the word? This collage of all our old Monkey videos. So y'all have at it, and I will see y'all at the end of my video.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring.
Rebecca! Wow!
So we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember.
You lying motherfucking bitch! I swear to God, I'm a...
When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name.
Why you look like Jesus?
Oh, you look like Mary.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything gonna be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, here's to the...
What? Hold... No. It ain't gonna happen like that. He look like a damn stick figure. Oh, excuse me, bitch. Would you date me?
The ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. The memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I never felt so lost. When I felt all of the hatred was too powerful to stop.
I'm talking to you.
Okay, you guys, be quiet.
Why her ponytail only 2 inches?
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you. I will fuck you too, Rebecca.
That time. At time. Hi, I'm Tyrina.
My back hurt. My back hurt.
I'm Tyrina. At time, please. Wait, how do you
Wait, I'm trying to talk to you, bitch. Can you hear me? My back hurts. You know what? You're a fucking dizzy dumb whore. Damn. Bitch wouldn't let me get a fucking word out. Like this the fucking Wendy Williams show. Bitch, sit your ass down.
Hey, oh shit.
Oh shit. My back hurt.
Why your back hurt?
Cause I've been carrying around this fat ass booty. Don't know who the fuck that is. Are you mad? Are you fucking insane, Harry? Bree! Hey.
Hey.
Where you at?
We're at football.
Football.
Girl, it's like 8 o'clock at night. Why you at football?
Because her brother's playing outside and we can't inside.
I hope they win. Tell them I said I hope they win.
He said he hopes they win. Thanks.
How old are y'all?
I'm 14. I'm 18.
Y'all want to know a secret?
What?
So I'm making a YouTube video and y'all about to have 85,000 people watch y'all.
What?
You're about to...
Like,
Huh?
what'd you say?
I do YouTube and y'all you're gonna be on my YouTube video, so you're gonna have like 85,000 people watch you. She ended it. She ended it. Destiny, is it any boogers in my nose?
No, but you got some nice skin. Like your color is just.
Ah, look at you. Complimenting me and stuff.
Look at him.
Wait, add time. Add time.
Look at his hair. You look like Stephen Curry. Yeah, you look like Stephen Curry. Like, oh. That's my man.
So you wanna know a secret?
Huh.
So I do YouTube and I'm making a video right now. Y'all about to have 85,000 people watch y'all.
Wait. What you say?
So I do YouTube, and y'all are about to have about a good 82 to 85,000 people watch y'all, or somewhere around there. How do you feel about that? Huh?
That wasn't fun.
I couldn't hear you. It's like you're breaking up. Are you on the neighbor's Wi-Fi?
Oh, I'm talking to my friend.
Oh.
Well, if we on, global underscore kind, that's the snap. Yeah.
Go ahead. So, so she just shouted herself out and hung up on me. That is disrespectful. I would never. Baby Tink, how old are you?
Why?
What you mean, why? Because I want to know.
Don't sound like that, bitch, because it sounds like you gay when you do that.
Bitch, I am gay. How about that? What she told me, don't sound like that because you sound like you gay. Bitch, I am gay. Hey. Hey. Bye. Oh. Hey, Kiki.
What?
Ain't that your name?
No, that's not my name.
Oh, what's your name?
It's Kai.
I was close. Like, don't even do that. You gonna break my heart. Like, for real. She just teed up on me. She talking about some, what? Like, girl, I thought that was your name.
Oh my God, bitch, this is Darius.
Oh my God, no, it isn't.
Bitch, asshole. This is this little famous, well, it's you doing this for YouTube?
Probably.
Probably. Oh my God, what's up, y'all? Whoever's watching out there. Follow me at Blue Smoke, BLU Smoke, period.
Oh, yeah?
Jerry is.
Hey, sister. I mean, Shasta. Boom. Okay. What you finna sing?
Okay.
Hey. You tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you look, keep it. No, you're not feeling it. You know, you look like a girl that I once knew. Yeah, she got bit by a dog during there, shot the dog and went to jail, so. But yeah, I mean, I like them glasses though. You a Tumblr girl or something?
What?
You a Tumblr girl? You got a Tumblr? Why you got the volume down? You don't want your mama to hear you talking to boys?
No.
How old are you? Huh? Nigeria?
Now my heart feel like an ember, and it's lighting up the dark. I'll carry these torches for you, that you know I'll never dry. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday.